Touch Seats on the lower screen to access the front or rear climate and massage seats. Touch Front to access the front seats. To adjust the seat temperature, touch the climate seat icon to switch the selected seat on. To control the heat distribution, touch the upper or lower zones as required. Rotate the rotary control to adjust the temperature. To select the seat massage, touch the massage icon. Touch the power icon to switch the seat massage on or off, followed by the seat zone icon of the desired program. Next, touch the desired massage format: wave, pulse, pulse duo, combination, or hot stone. The hot stone massage program provides increased central heat for the spine. The massage intensity can be set to the required level using the rotary control to adjust. All massage programs have a 20-minute cycle. Reselect this for repeated use. The massage program can be set to automatically start when beginning a journey, or a time delay can be set for a massage program to start. These options can be selected by touching the lower screen settings icon, followed by the seats icon. Massage seats can be selected using the controls located in the front door panels. Press to select the last used seat massage program. The massage will run for 20 minutes. Press again for repeated use, or to switch the massage program off.